Hi everyone, welcome to today's activity homeschooling of my son Tishan, unrolling and rolling. First we are going to do the activity unrolling. You can use a mat or napkin or a small blanket, anything. Place your left hand flat on the opening of the mat near the bottom and place your right thumb on the left side of the rolled part of the mat or a blanket on the same horizontal line as your left hand. Wrap your right fingers around the curve of the mat. Now twist your right wrist to the right. Slide your right wrist back to the top of the rolled part of a mat or blanket. Continue these movements until the mat or blanket is fully unrolled. Place your left hand flat on the bottom left side of the mat and place your right hand flat on the mat directly next to your left hand. Slide your right hand horizontally across the mat to flatten. Now lift your hand off of the mat. Tell the children the mat is now unrolled. So the next process is rolling a mat. So tell the children that I am now going to roll up this mat. Place your right thumb under the flap of the mat from the right edge of the mat. Curve your 4 right fingers over the top of the flap. Repeat these movements until the mat is fully rolled. Lift left fingers off of the mat and then lift your left thumb. Lift right fingers off of the mat and then lift your right thumb. And now tell your child that I have rolled the mat. This is called rolling. Now you can ask your child to do the same activity. So now my son Tishan is repeating the same activity of rolling and unrolling.